Hi guys, today I'm gonna talk about 4 basic lighting adjustment tools that are in every photo editing apps. Number 1, brightness. Brightness is the lightness and darkness of an image. You can adjust photo brighter or darker by using this tool. When you increase brightness, the photo gets brighter and brighter. When you decrease brightness, the photo gets darker. Correct brightness is important to easily understand all quantities of photos, both shadow and highlight areas. Number 2, contrast. Contrast is the difference between light pieces and dark pieces. Increasing contrast will increase the difference. Light areas of the photo is more brighter and shadow area is more darker. It makes sharpening the image. Decreasing contrast will decrease the difference. It makes softening the image. Contrasting can help you to enhance the mood and emotion of your photo. Number 3, highlights. Highlights are the lightest area of an image. When you increase highlight, the light area of photo will be brighter. When you decrease highlight, the light area of photos will be darker. Reducing highlight bar can add more texture to the photo like cloud textures and sky. Number 4, shadow. Shadows are dark area of an image. When you increase shadow bar, dark areas become lightened. When you decrease shadow bar, dark areas will become more darker. Decreasing shadows can reveal more details and shadows area.